This is my little pond. It's spring fed. It's probably about 100 years old. In the background you can see the waterfall that I constructed about 4 years ago. We're going to have a closer look. So the drop on here is about 2 meters to the bottom, about a foot of water in it at the moment. The main pond has about 1.5 meters of water in it. So we'll go and have a look what powers it. So this is one of the pumps that I used to use. These are about $40 on eBay. They're rated 180 watts. So this one's in bits, obviously. The bad thing about these, the brushes wear out. I've tried changing the brushes, but haven't got them to work too well. They kind of jam, stop and start, etc. So I've moved away from that idea to one of these. This is a small brushless motor. It's for the automotive industry, for pumping the coolant system. It's rated at 75 watts. They cost about $70 to $90 Australian, and it's just a little mesh filter there to stop the shit getting in. So the bad thing about these, you can't connect them directly to the solar panel because they shut down if they go higher than 16 volts. So if we look over here, this is a solar panel that I bought. It's about 200 watts. I think I paid about $100 for it a few years ago. There's 2 little lead acid batteries here that I got for $5 each from the recovery shop, and there's a charge controller here. These are about $10 on eBay. We can see at the moment it's running the load, the pump, and it's also charging the batteries. So you need these to drop the volts from the solar panel to the motor. So if you just look at the settings, I've got it charges the batteries at 13.8 volts. It chucks 12.5 volts out to the load, the motor, the pump, and it shuts off when the batteries drop to 12 volts. And it will run 24 hours as long as the batteries are higher than those parameters that I set. And B01 I think is for lead acid batteries. So I hope this has been useful information about ponds and pumps.